Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's 58, 59 degrees. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera, but the whole state of Michigan is, ooh, wee. Yeah, that's definitely coming from the north. This ain't fog, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if you can see it, but this is actual smoke from Canada and whatnot. And yeah, you can most definitely smell it. Let me turn off the light. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can most definitely smell it. Hoo-wee. Let me get a better shot. But yeah, it's gonna be like this for the whole entire day. But yeah, this is it is 8:30, 8:38. Now it's 8:30. But yeah, that's coming. It's coming from the north. But yeah, this is the smoke from the wildfires up in Canada. I will put this out this afternoon. I wasn't planning on recording this morning, but anyway, just wanted to come out and give you the weather report. I'm gonna snap a couple of pictures real quick. To the northeast. I'll shoot one north. Yeah, I just shot one. Oh, does it stink out here? I guess the further north that you live in Michigan, you have to wear a mask. So probably all of the smoke that's coming from the north will come in down. And if it gets really smoky, I will try and record a video. But I'm Carrie Knopf, and I will see everybody next time. Bye. Whoo-wee, that stinks. Wow. Yeah, you can see some of it over there. Whoo-wee, that stinks.